Michelle here. So today I'm going to show you a quick video on how to apply and how to remove Ohora's gel nail stickers. So it's really simple and I'll do a review at the end of this video and I hope it's helpful. Are you ready? Let's go! Step 1. Tools. Step 2. Cleanse. Step 3. Find the right size. Step 4. Apply the semi-cured gel. Step 5. Filing. Step 6. Curing. Removal. I broke the wood stick. My review. So I would like to say I really like this product and I would definitely recommend it. So the reason why I want to recommend this is because the end result looks exactly like what I'm expecting. As you can see here. On top of that, it is really easy to apply and also to remove. Removing the gel nail was such a pain point for me in the past and I just couldn't deal with it. So if you are the same as me, congratulations. On top of that, this is very durable. The set that I apply on my toes lasts about 3 weeks already and they haven't even chipped a bit. So I'm assuming that they might be able to last for another 2 weeks. So from my experience of doing mani and pedi, this is very affordable. One manicure or one pedicure can possibly buy about 4 to 6 boxes of the stickers. And also, I would say the end result look exactly like gel nails. I really don't see the difference between them. Of course, the salons might have more designs than what they offer on the website, but if you're looking for like simple designs with different colors or maybe sparkles, I will definitely recommend you to go on there and check it out and see if you have anything that you like. So the only thing that I don't like about this product is that the jewels on the stickers are gigantic because I have really small nails, so it looks like a huge bump on my nail. It doesn't look very pretty. So I would suggest that if you have small nails like me, choose something that doesn't have jewels on it, or maybe choose the ones that have smaller jewels. I was expecting it to be smaller, however, it's not the way that I expected, so that's the only thing that I don't like about it. But I was very content with the ones that have different colors and without jewels on the stickers. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you like this video. If you have used this product and you really like it, please comment below and share with us what's your favorite set, or if you have any questions or comments. If you like today's video, please subscribe, like, and turn on the notifications. What did I say again? If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and turn on the notifications. Thank you. Bye.